Welcome to this week's edition of Obesity Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Eli Lilly's experimental obesity drug, Eloralintide, has shown early promise in a new clinical trial. The drug, designed to mimic the amylin hormone, helped patients lose over 11% of their body weight in just 12 weeks. Tested both as a monotherapy and in combination with tirzepatide, Eloralintide outperforms similar therapies from Roche and Novo Nordisk. The results suggest a potential redefinition of hormone-based obesity treatment pathways, offering a new class of interventions for weight management. In China, Innovent's mazdutide is drawing attention for its dual receptor action. By targeting both GLP-1 and glucagon receptors, the compound mimics oxyntomodulin, achieving up to 14% weight loss and a 70% reduction in liver fat during trials. With additional indications being explored, including obstructive sleep apnea, mazdutide is positioning Innovent as a metabolic disease leader in China. Analysts forecast annual revenues could exceed $500 million by 2027. Novo Nordisk is advancing its novel candidate, Amycretin, into phase 3 trials. Amycretin uniquely combines GLP-1 receptor agonism with amylin hormone activity to suppress appetite. Early phase studies reported up to 22% weight loss. Phase 3 development will include both oral and injectable formulations, scheduled to begin in 2026. The therapy could provide a more holistic approach to appetite regulation and weight control. In South Korea, Dongsung Chemical has joined a national biomaterials initiative aimed at expanding domestic capabilities in semaglutide production. With a government-backed investment of 8.4 billion Korean won, the company aims to establish GMP-compliant manufacturing capacity by 2029. The long-term strategy includes semaglutide applications for obesity, dementia, and cardiovascular conditions. By 2029, biohealth is expected to represent 20% of Dongsung's overall sales. Innogen is targeting the global GLP-1 market through a new initial public offering in Hong Kong. Proceeds will fund the commercial launch of efsubaglutide alfa, a human-derived GLP-1 receptor agonist with once-weekly dosing. The drug is intended for diabetes and obesity treatment. By leveraging human origin for safety and efficacy, Innogen plans to scale quickly and compete with established pharmaceutical players worldwide. Novo Nordisk has announced a landmark partnership with Deep Apple, a biotech firm specializing in artificial intelligence and cryo-electron microscopy. The deal, worth up to $812 million, aims to develop oral obesity treatments that act on non-incretin G-protein-coupled receptors. This collaboration expands Novo Nordisk's obesity pipeline beyond traditional GLP-1 targets, integrating cutting-edge computational biology into drug discovery and development. Finally, Chugai Pharmaceutical and Eli Lilly are collaborating to address muscle loss associated with weight reduction therapies. The companies are evaluating a combination of orforglipron, a promising oral GLP-1 receptor agonist, with GYM329, a myostatin inhibitor. Orforglipron has already demonstrated strong results in late-stage trials. With Chugai's research and development expertise and its affiliation with Roche, the initiative could set a new benchmark in obesity treatment. Industry analysts estimate that orforglipron could reach peak annual sales of up to $40 billion if successful. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.